problem 6. So we have 6 people in the race, right? From our homework, we have. I'm just gonna call them A, B, C, D, E, and F. All right. So the first part of the question was that how many possible ways
A,
can we have
B,
the
C,
result?
D, E, F, G.
Pradyum, how many possible ways can we have the
Hey,
result of the? Can we have the results of these? How many possible results of this race can we have? So somebody want to explain that?
I got it.
Yes, go.
6 factorial.
Why is it 6 factorial? Because you got 6 choices for the first place, 5 for the second, 4 for the third, 3 for
Second
the
is 4,
4,
3,
2 for the, and then 1,
2, and 1.
which is 720 ways. But guess what? I rigged the race. I rigged the race, and I know that B is going to be first no matter what. And F is last no matter what. Now, how many ways can I have these positions? So that's B, and then F. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got A, C, D, E. Now, how many possible ways do I have to finish this?
4.
4? Who said 4?
Me.
Who's me?
4 factorial.
Abhinav.
Okay, Abhinav, you're right about the 4, but it's actually 4 factorial because you see, you have 4 choices for
That's
this.
what I said.
Pradyum, nobody asked you to talk when I'm talking. Three choices for this, 2 choices for this, and 1 choice for this. So Abhinav, do you see how it's 4 factorial?
Yes.
Because we locked in on the 2 positions, yes?
Yes.
So you only got 4 more to decide from.
Yeah.
Alright, now let's shift some gears now and go back to some of the other problems we did. Anybody remember area and volume?
Yes.
Kaisha, Abhinav, Lucky.
Yeah.
Could you display a problem once?
No, my question is, do you remember the formulas for area and volume?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sir,
Okay, so I have a rectangular prism out here, which is
Yeah.
like something like that. You know, it's got a length of like see that. I'm not too good at drawing these rectangular prisms, but let's see. Yeah, so it's got a length of 4, a width of 5, and a height of let's see. Actually, no. Let's cut down on that. So I'm a recreate this, right? So we got let's see. All right. So we got a 3 and an 18, right? We
I
got
solved this.
Pradyum. I do not want you talking when I'm talking. Is that clear?
No, it's because you broke up on my headphones. I couldn't hear you.
Okay, now you do, and I hope you do not interrupt me again. Are we
My
clear?
bad. Yes, sir.
Now, all these are in units, alright? They're just units. 3 units, 4 units, and 18 units. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to melt this into a cube. Then, I'm about to fill that cube that I make, right? The cube that I make, I'm about to fill that with 1x, 1x, 1 blocks. And the blocks come in 3 colors. All equal number. Right? So my colors are, you know, black, white, and red. How many blocks of each color do I have, and how many total blocks do I need?
Zoom out,
Wait.
please.
Oh, God.
How many total blocks do I need? How many of each?
Alright. So, yeah, this is your situation. How are you guys gonna go about solving this?
Here, can I solve this?
Wait, I want you to talk about it in English first, but you just went for the previous problem, so I want to hear it from somebody else. Although, feel free.
Can I help?
Prodium, feel free to solve it and send it to me over chat or message.
Yeah, I already did it. I have to send it to you.
Alright, try sending it to mom or dad's phone. Or
No.
or any other way. If you have WhatsApp on the computer or something.
Mm,
And 3 equal blocks, all equal number. What does the 3 part say?
3 colors of blocks. I have red blocks, white blocks, and black blocks.
okay, so and it's a 1 by 1. How many total blocks do I need? How many of each
Each color.
color? So we have a total of, let's see.
We are first finding the volume, right, of the cuboid.
Why? Why do you want to find the volume?
Because we are finding the base of one side.
You want to find the face of one side?
Hey,
So you
Pritam,
want the volume?
I know the answer.
Wait, let's hear it from Kaisha. Go ahead, Kaisha.
I think we are finding the volume, but I'm not sure.
Why are you not sure? All right, Lucky. Let's see it. Let's see what you think.
So what I did is, right, I found the volume of the rectangular prism.
I sent you an answer.
4 times 3 times 18. And that's
Do not talk in terms of
216
numbers.
cubic.
Do not talk in terms of numbers.
Oh, so first, all right, fine. All right, so first, my thought process is, right. Since you said we need to find an equal number of each color,
Yeah.
I decided to and since the rectangular prism is basically the same thing as the cube, it's just merged into a different shape, right? So
Wait.
the dimensions are technically still the same.
Wait. A rectangular prism is the same as a
Sorry?
cube? What?
Oh, I said a rectangular prism was merged into a cube. So it's still basically the same thing, but
What do you
it's
mean
just like a
same
different
thing?
shape.
There's a word. There's a word for that.
Merged.
No. What is the property that remains the same?
Wait. Wait.
Oh, you have 2 questions. Oh. I bet.
Oh, 1 minute, Pritam.
Yeah. Very good, Prodium. very good. But next time, make
Alright.
sure to specify what it is, or specify it now.
Alright. Okay.
Hello?
Yes, Lucky.
So you're asking what is the property?
Anybody else know the answer? Abhinav, do you have something to say about this?
No, not really.
Not really? Why not, man?
No. I'm trying to figure my way out too.
What?
I'm trying to figure the problem out too.
Alright.
Mm, mm. Hey, Priton,
Yes.
what are you like referring to as in like property when we like merge a rectangular prism to a cube? Like what are you
We're
trying to
not merging it.
tell me there?
You are not merging it. You are melting it and making it.
Melting it into a cube. So
Yes.
I know the answers. I just don't know how to explain it to you though. So we take the rectangular prism
Yeah.
Yeah.
and we melt it into a cube. But before that, we have to
Yeah.
find the dimensions of the rectangular prism
Hmm?
and use those and find the equal number of blocks for each color for the cube.
Yeah. That's right.
So the answer
I did it in a
is
different way.
there's a total of 216 blocks because 4 times 3 times 18 is 216. And if you divide it by 3, it's 72. So 72 blocks for red, black, and whatever the other color is.
White. But yeah, you're right about that. The word I was looking for is volume. The key here is to realize that volume
Oh,
remain the same.
that's what you're trying to tell me. Volume.
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't wanna mess with you guys anymore, but yeah.
All right. Thank you, Pritam. That makes
Can you
sense.
hear me?
Yes, Pradyum, I heard you. I saw your answers. They're both right, but let's walk through your method. How did you do this?
What I did
Yeah, what did you do?
is I found the volume, then I cube rooted it for no reason, and then I checked how many blocks are in the cube, which is 216 divided by that by 3 to find 3 different colors.
Good. Good.
Just made it more complex for myself.
Yeah, no one's interested in that, but yeah, try making it simpler next time. Anyway, now that we did this, right? Now I got a whole set of numbers, alright? This number's got 1 through 36. Alright? I got like
Mm.
1, 2, 3. I got blocks inside this, alright? So,
Mm.
what we're gonna do now is that we got our friend here, our big friend, Jumbo R.
Ramtron.
No, it's not Romtron. It's RC. RCD. Alright?
Ramtron. Big.
No. Stop naming people, because it's not Romtron, it's RCD. Our big friend pulls
Who's
out a
that?
number. What?
Yeah.
Number and does not put it back.
Yes. And yeah.
Pradyum, we do not need your input at every time. Do you understand that?
I just said yes. I said I understand.
I don't want you talking when I'm talking. Is that clear?
Alright.
And now, we're going to pull another number out. So we basically pull out two numbers. So what is the probability that he pulled out a multiple of 3 and a multiple of 5?
Is that a 3?
Yes.
I can't hear you.
Yes.
What?
Alright, somebody
hear
just
you.
tell him what I just said.
Oh.
Okay. Who wants to take this on?
Was a number.
Wait, can you explain this question again?
Yes, Kaisha. So there's like a box, right? We have numbers from 1 to 36. So we have a friend who pulls out one number, and he does not put that card back. He pulls out another block. So he basically took out 2 blocks. So what's the probability that he pulled out a multiple of 3 and then a multiple of 5? All these blocks are numbered with numbers from 1 to 36. Alright, anybody got
So
anything? Sorry?
um we are finding it separately or together.
I mean, any way you know how to do it.
Yeah.
Here, can I just explain it here? It's more
No,
complex.
Prodium. Type it. No, type it, do not call. Lucky, Abhinav, I hear nothing from you guys.
Hmm.
I think
Give me a
for
minute, Pritamana.
I
Yeah,
think for a multiple of 3,
yeah.
the answer is 12 over 36.
Okay, that's a start. That's fine, that's a start. That's what Kaisha thinks, I'm not sure if it's right.
It's for a multiple of 3. Um, and for a multiple of 5, it's 7 over 36.
7? Alright,
Yeah.
Kaisha says it's
Wait,
7. 7 over what, Kaisha?
No, it's 7/35.
30, 36. 36.
36 or 35?
No, 35. 35. 36 is not a multiple of 7.
Okay,
35.
that's not the point, but why does Lucky have 35 on the denominator and Kaisha have 36?
I have 7 on the denominator.
Wait, so is it 7 over 35 or 7 over 36?
I think it's
It's
7 over
1
36.
over it's 1 over 7.
Wait, Kaisha,
It's
why
1
do you
over
think
7.
it's 7 over 36?
Dude. Oh.
I heard you, Prodium.
Because total number are 36, right? That's why.
But our friend does not put a card back, so what happens when you take one of the blocks out completely?
Oh, okay. Yeah, 35.
Okay, this is what Kaisha thinks, 7 over 35. So, have you guys heard of a number called 15?
Yeah.
And 30.
Yeah.
So
And 30 as well. So,
you have to subtract that from the because they're overlapping. You can't have them in both.
thanks for spoiling it, Prodium. The next time you spoil something,
Bro, Pradyum, let him speak, bro.
He's not letting me speak. I can't. I don't want to type that. So,
We don't need you speaking though, that's the thing.
bro, this guy's not letting me. I don't want to type.
if you don't want to type, then get out of class. Because you're disturbing everybody. But anyway. So in the
All right.
first draw... What? What did you say?
He actually left. This monkey actually left.
Alright. Anyway, back to the real deal. So, we know that 15 and 30 are overlapping numbers. They are both, multiples of 3 and 5. Right? Like Pradyum mentioned earlier. Right? These are the overlapping numbers. So if you pick some of these, then you gotta also consider these to be removed. Like you're counting them twice. Like, you see what I'm saying?
Pritamana,
Yeah.
I just have a question. So you're saying before, remember how we got 12 over 36 first?
Yeah.
And then since we put out one card, you're telling me that since we put out one card, it's 7 over 35. Is that why? It's only till a multiple of 35 and not 36 because we put out
No, Lucky.
the card.
Because you had 36 blocks in total. Yes?
Yeah,
So if I pull one out and do not put it back, how many blocks are there?
35
And probability is the number favorable over the number total. Yes?
total. Yeah.
So basically, our solution is as simple as 12 over 36 times
6
7
and
over 35,
7 over 35.
minus.
Yeah.
Now that we found the probability, we gotta remove the common ground between the two. So now what we're gonna do is minus 2 over. How many total factors do we have? That's 12 plus 7, 19, minus 2. That's 17, minus another 2, which is 15.
1 over 1
So that's 1
third.
over 3, and
Yeah.
that's 1 over 5. So that's, wait a minute.
That's 1 over 15 then. It's 1 over 15.
Just kidding. This would still be, wait, we have 36, right? And we got rid of 2
Yeah.
of them. So that's 34. 34? Yeah. So 1 over 15 minus 2 over 34. Whatever that comes out to be. So that's 1 over 15 minus 1 over 17. Whatever that comes out to be is the probability. Anyway, now let's have some more fun.
I don't think this would be fun.
Alright, so
It's a prediction. It's a
what?
nothing.
There's a pizza, right? We got like a pizza in here, right? This part is cheese. This part is chicken. This part is, oh, this is my special pizza store, by the way, so you get all kinds of pizzas in here. So you got, what is this one? Yeah, veg. Just veg. Alright? And now this part is, what do you call that?
Pepperoni?
Do you eat pepperoni?
No.
Mushrooms.
Yes, thank you. I mean,
Pineapple.
it's not wrong if you eat pepperoni, but I'm just asking, I'm curious.
No, never in my life.
Oh, if you didn't know, Pritamani eats all kinds of meat. That's why it's so strong.
No, I do not eat all kinds of meat. I've not eaten meat for the past month,
Wow.
but yeah.
Pritamani, how are you taking in your protein? Like extra protein powder?
No,
I
man,
just ate
I don't
chicken
even
today.
take protein powder. But anyway, so this cheese sector is 120 degrees,
Hmm.
right? And the
Sure.
chicken, veg, and this, they're all equal sizes. Right?
Mhm.
So, if I were to spin like this, you know those spinner things where you go like whoop, where you go whoop, the thing goes around and stops at one of the things. Yeah. So if I were to spin that around this thing, what is the probability that it would land on either chicken or mushroom?
But can you repeat the question?
Yes, Kaisha. So we have a pizza with like one sector is 120 degrees and the other sectors are all the same. And then I have a spinner, which is like basically, around and like in like a line here that spins around and stops somewhere. So I'm asking you what the probability is if it's stopping either on the chicken or the mushroom section. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Pradyum, Abhinav, do you have
Yeah.
anything to say about this question?
Not like cheese portion of the pizza.
You literally said you have to find the chicken or the mushroom. Like, what is the probability?
Is
Yeah.
it 2/4?
How's 2/4 is what Kaisha says.
I didn't get 2/4. I got 4/9.
Okay,
But
Pradyum.
I think there's something to do with 120 degrees, but I don't know.
Okay, Pradyum says 4/9, Kaisha says 2/4, and yes, there is something to do with the 120. I gave it to you for a reason. Or maybe there is no need to do anything with the 120. Because given my history, I like playing, but,
Yay, the fact that you mentioned that.
But maybe I'm playing, maybe I'm not. So. Alright, what shape is a pizza again?
Circle?
Circle?
Yeah. Yes, it is a circle. And why does that matter in this case?
Because a circle is 360 degrees.
Okay, yeah, Lucky's on the right track.
Half of a circle is
It's 120 degrees.
Yeah.
We would still have 240. We'd still have 240 degrees left. 240. What is 240 divided by 3?
No calculators.
That's
Anybody
80.
using a calculator gets shot.
Yeah, we're dividing it, right?
Yeah.
240 divided by 3 is
Equal
80
pieces.
for each section. Chicken's 80. Mushrooms 80. Veg is 80. So what's going on here? chicken or mushroom.
Come on, guys.
Wait.
Okay, so cheese is 120, right? And
Yeah.
then chicken, um, mushroom and veg. They all three are 80, 80, 80.
Yeah.
80. We all know that.
Yeah. So how does that
Oh,
matter?
it matters because you're playing with us.
Can I tell you?
Podium. Let's hold on.
Hold on, wait. I think. Wait, veg is 120? No, veg is not 120. I'm tweaking.
Like you should
Me?
be.
Going wrong. But there's only.
Okay, Podium. Do you have something to say about this?
Yeah, so you have 120 for cheese, 360 minus 120. You get the rest of the pizza, which is 240 and two, because they're all equal pieces. 240 divided by 3 is 80. And with 80, you add 80 over 360 to another 8 to
What?
to so I have cheese pizza, and I have like the whole 360 degrees, so I subtract that and then I divide that by 3 and I get 80. Then I have to find two equal portions, so it's 80 over 360 plus 80 over 360 so equal to 160 over 360. and then you divide, and then you simplify that to be 4 over 9.
Yes. 160 over 360 becomes 4 over 9. Does everybody see what happened there? Are we clean?
They can explain it.
Podium?
Can you repeat for the one once?
160,
And,
160
but you
over
can
what?
you explain?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Can you explain?
Yes, yes. Podium, do you want to
It
explain?
was 160 over
Oh,
what?
no, I'm good. I want Preetham to explain because he did like a whole speed run there.
Alright, Podium, go slow.
Okay. So then there's 360 for the whole pizza. You subtract 120, then you get 240. And there's three
Actually,
equal
Podium,
portions. So you
quit it,
divide
Podium. You're
me.
using numbers. So, I'm gonna say this without numbers, and I want every one of you listening, paying attention. Are we clear? So,
Yes, I'm clear.
we got 120 degrees for cheese, and the whole pizza is 360 degrees. Yes? I already told you what the
Yes, sir.
120 degrees is about. And, like, now we have 240. 240. So we have 240 and they're all of equal sizes. So each sector is 80 degrees. Are we clear there?
Hmm.
And now given
Yeah.
that
Yes,
each
sir.
sector is 80 degrees, chicken and mushroom together, we need both of them. So that would be 160 degrees when we add two 80s up. And 160 is our favorable part, and 360 is our total. So that's favorable over total. That's 160 over 360, which is 4 over 9. Is everybody clear?
Yeah.
Are we clean?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah, sir. That makes sense. Yes, sir, I'm clean.
Abhinav, are we clean?
Yes, I'm clean.
Okay, I didn't hear it from Pradyum, so he's not clean. But anyway. Now let's see. So, the product of two prime numbers is 146. What is their difference? Go. You guys got 10 seconds for this problem.
I got my answer.
Okay, Pradyum, send it over chat.
What? Is it product of 2 pi?
What? Pi?
I can't read that. I'm sorry.
It's
I s-
prime numbers.
I see pi from here. I can't
Oh,
see shit.
sorry. I meant to write prime. My apologies.
Okay, yeah, it looks like pi, yeah.
Which is part of the
Alright.
two prime numbers and
Oh, 2 prime numbers. Oh, okay, that makes sense.
two prime
That
numbers
makes so much more
insert in.
sense. Okay, that makes sense. All right. I know. What is the difference between those two prime numbers?
What are prime numbers again?
Numbers?
They don't have more than one factors.
Yeah, they don't have more than one, and they only have 2 factors.
Yeah.
A number is greater than 1 that have only 2 factors.
Yep. Alright. So, let's go. Give me the answers.
I think is 73 and 2.
I agree.
73 and 2 is what
I
Lucky
also
thinks.
I also agree. Yeah.
Yeah, so what's the final answer?
And then the difference between them 71.
71.
71, alright. I think Pradyum got the same thing. So,
Yeah.
Abhinav, are you good on this problem, or
Yeah, I'm good.
you good? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, anyway. Now that you guys did this, let's have some more fun with geometry now. Right, so I give you a circle. Good little actually, let's draw a proper circle, man. I'm tired of butchering these circles. But anyway, yeah. We got whoop. That circle. Alright? Now, you know what's also a circle? The headspace in a guillotine. But anyway, that's a joke my manager makes all the time. But anyway. Yeah. So now, in this circle, we got a radius of 5. Alright? Just 5. And now, you know what? I got so many duplicate circles of these. Right? I got many duplicate circles of these. And like, I keep stacking them one on top of the other. The circles 1, circle 2, circle 3. It becomes a huge pile, alright? Becomes a huge pile of that circles. Right? Okay, I want to hear nothing from nobody till I'm done with the problem. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I keep stacking the circles one on top of the other, one on top of the other. Right? And then if I get the volume of that figure, the final volume of that figure would be, alright, 250 units. Alright? How many circles do I need?
Can you tell the starting part of the question?
Yes,
The
Kaishan. So
circle.
I have a circle with a radius of 5, okay?
Oh,
And then
okay.
I get
Yeah.
many more circles like that. I don't know how many. Alright? And then I put them one on top of the other, one on top of the other. It becomes something like that. Alright? If I stack them all on top.
And okay, and all those circles radius is 5, right?
Yes, they're all the same circles. And now what we're doing is that we know the volume of that circle. Volume of that whole figure. I'm asking you, how many circles like that do I need?
Or is this related to cylinder or something?
I don't know. Maybe. Okay, did somebody join back or leave?
Yeah. Kadim left.
Oh, he's gonna join back then. Guess.
Do we have to find the height?
I don't know, man. Just give me the number of circles you need.
I have an answer.
Send it over chat first.
May I use a calculator to simplify?
No. Alright, does nobody have anything to say about this?
The volume of the cylinder is pi r square h, right?
Yes. I don't know how that matters in here, but yeah.
Hmm. How many circles do I Radius is 5. Ethan, is it 4 circles?
How's it 4 circles?
You said the volume is 250 units, and a volume is pi r squared times height. Wait, hold up. So we're supposed to find the height, we have to divide the volume by pi r squared.
Yeah.
So that's 250 divided by 25 pi, which can simplify to 10 pi. And I got my height. It was like
What?
approximately like
What? You said 25 pi. What did you say? 250 equals what?
I said 250 divided by 25 pi,
Yeah.
which could be simplified to 10 pi, and I got till there. And then like
What? So this gives you 10 pi?
yeah.
That? Alright, man. I'm ordering the agent at your house real quick.
Wait, why? Wait, what did I do wrong?
How did the pi on the denominator get to the numerator, man?
Oh, wait, no, because we're dividing it by the volume and then by pi r square again.
What? Okay, does anybody else
Are we dividing
understand
it
what
by
this
volume and then
Okay, you got till this step, man. So what's next?
simplify it?
How are you gonna simplify it?
Divided
Right.
by 25?
Yes.
Yeah.
What's it come out to be?
10 pi. 10 over pi. 10 over pi is what I meant. I meant 10 over pi. That's what I meant.
Yeah, good. So I'm not ordering the agent at your house.
That's what I meant.
Yeah, so the height is 10 over pi. So the stack needs to be 10
Yeah.
over pi things tall. So you basically need 10 over pi circles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And this is my world. I'll give you exactly 10 over pi circles.
Yeah.
Alright, is everybody clear
Let's
on how this
go.
happened?
Yes, sir.
I didn't understand.
Alright, Kaisha, so, you know what a cylinder is? It's when you basically stack circles on top of circles on top of circles, right? Becomes
Yeah.
that big.
Yeah.
I gave you the volume of the cylinder too. So all you had to do was find the height of this pile. If you find the height of the pile, that's the number of circles you need.
Oh, okay.
Yep, it's that simple. You guys thought it was hard. I promise, I was not playing with you guys this time. But anyway, I guess I hope you guys enjoyed this class as much as I did. And next week we're gonna do some more like advanced probability and some some quadratics. Or I was actually thinking of having another lesson for you guys next week, maybe some PSAT or SAT math, but let's see. Yeah, so the recording is stopped and it's time for any questions that you guys might have.